I come out to the motorhome this afternoon. The sun was out. I thought I'd have a little tinker. So I just had a little bit of a tidy up. Loads of dog hairs and things on the floor, so I've vacuumed all that up. I'll show you what else I've done. Oh yeah, shower control valve. So if you remember, over the winter that froze, and that brass type alloy body, whatever it is, cracked. That's all been silver soldered up now and fiberglassed over, so to stop any cold getting to that metal again. So that's ready to go back in now, so that'll be done soon. That's another job I want to sort out. So when we were out and about over the winter in Wales, that was just blowing a gale through this place. So we need to keep that. I need to keep a vent, because if we're cooking, it'd be good to have that vented out, but I need something that can close that vent off for when we're not cooking. So I need to sort that out. So while the sun's out, and I had a good solar charge, in fact I had too good a solar charge actually. I came out and I got 16 volts on the solar controller. So I quickly turned that off and then started putting some electrical items on to draw some current off. And one of the things I've done is I've got the lead going out, and I've got the main battery for the motorhome on charge. I mean, it doesn't need charging. I just want to put a bit of top up in it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a brand new battery. So that's so we know it's ready. When I want to come and turn that key, I know when I have a problem with the battery. That's better. It was 16 volts. It's now 12.3. I can change the settings on that. I do need to change it so it doesn't overcharge the batteries. So I need to figure that out one day. But for the moment, I'll just turn the solar off when we're not using it. And if you've seen on Instagram, we'll just put a picture of our Bluetti that's on charge in the house. And I couldn't, for the life of me, I couldn't find the charging lead for it. And it turned out that it was way back there under the bed in a box. Thought I'd lost it, but we found it. Well, I found it. I can hear something running. I wonder what it was, and I've realised it's the fridge. So the fridge, as soon as I turn the power on for the motorhome, the fridge is automatically connected up, so it'll automatically turn on. So yeah, in fact I could do with turning that off actually, so that doesn't happen. Let's turn that off. There we go. That's it. That's off now. And we'll always leave the door open, just like that. That's our little catch to stop the door from opening when we're on the move. So I just put it like that, just to, as you probably know, if you shut a fridge with it cold, it goes all mouldy. So just leave that like that. Does the job. Oh, I'm out of breath. Getting too old. Yeah, I've just put these up there as well. Cushions for that bed. We had them off over the winter, so they're back there now, all sorted. Well, that's it. And a few jobs on the old motorhome this afternoon. It's nice and clean again. A few more things to do. I quite enjoy coming out having a tinker actually. When you've got an old motorhome, I don't know, when you're sort of ex-mechanic background, yeah, it's nice to come out and do a few jobs. Right, and with that, I'm going to say goodbye and hope you've all had a great weekend. Take care, stay safe. See you soon.